Okay, this is on high output air compressor, diesel. Not sure the make of it. We'll figure that out though later. But anyway, we're gonna fire it up. It runs excellent. Let you take a look at the motor and stuff before I fire it off. Let's see, what you see any make or model in here? Where the heck is it? I don't know, but we'll get it. It'll be on the still shots and everything. Has 3,500 hours, and we're going to fire it up right now. Does that run sweet or what? It's on a skid mount. Used to be on a trailer, but somebody put it on a skid mount so you can fork it on your truck and away you go. That's it on this video. Thank you.